Hey, how's it going? Just waiting for more people to join real quick. Shiba's been going crazy, right? Can you hear me, by the way? Is my audio good? This is actually the first time I'm going live. I just want to make sure my audio is okay. It's more like a test run, actually. Yeah, I mean it's not really crashing that much. It's like if you look at it, I mean yeah, it's down 11% the past hour, but it's not really that bad. Hey, but can you guys hear me okay? Like I want to know. This is actually like my first live video. I just want to know like if you guys can hear me okay, or you know, yeah. So leave it in the comment section if you can hear me, or like let me know how my audio is. How's it going? You guys can hear me, right? Nice, nice. All right. So are you guys in Shiba Inu? Like I'm trying to figure out or get a good sense of like who's in it and like when did you guys get in it? Because I got in it like literally around right. I think it was September 16th. That's actually when I got in it because that's when Coinbase basically like added it, and then that's when I got in, and then after I got in, it basically dipped like 30-40% or something. But I was like, hey, I only have like 200 or $400 in it, and then it went down to 200. So I was like, it's fine. I'll just keep holding on to it. I didn't expect it to like go up 1,000%, like literally like within a month, and or else I would have put more money in it. Like I literally just put the money that I had in my bank account at the time, and I just threw it in Shiba Inu. Um, yeah. So trying to, I mean, it depends if you're where you got in, right? So if you got in like right here, then yeah, you're probably gonna try catching a falling knife. But if you got in, back in a month ago or something, then I think you're good. You're chilling. You're just letting it ride. You're not really doing anything. You're just watching the action as of right now. So it all depends on when you got in. But yeah, damn, it's going down a little bit, down 11%. So if we take a look at like some technicals, basically this is my technical chart right here. Look at this big fat green candle. It's like insane. Like this green candle right here make these green candles over here look like nothing. So it's just kind of funny. Like what happened right here. And it's funny because in my video that I did yesterday, when we're back like at 40, 40, 45 or something, I was like, hey, we're gonna double from here. But I didn't expect it to happen literally the next day. It was kind of funny. But yeah, so like literally in my video, checked out my video from yesterday. I was literally talking about it. I was like, hey, we have the potential to double because we're on the path to basically take over Dogecoin because Shiba Inu was like at 25 market cap around there yesterday, and now it's at 46. It just basically overtook Dogecoin like nothing. And Dogecoin's at 31. Yeah, so it just overtook it. So if we take a look here, I think basically like XRP, Solana, it's basically like the only ones that are like the next ones that we need to take over. It'll be interesting if we take over Solana and Cardano. That would be like really interesting to see. But yeah, it's just crazy like how it's going right now. It's it's kind of insane. Like I honestly don't know when it's gonna crash. Like it's double, tripled, quadrupled so much already. You're just wondering like, hey, when's it gonna crash? Because it popped up from six all the way to 30. It basically times six, and then it crashed a little bit, and then it just like stabilized for like I don't know a week or two, maybe 3 weeks, and then boom again. So I wonder when it's gonna crash. It's hard to tell though because it's getting like a lot of media attention right now. So it's getting at that very peak, you know. But yeah, let me know like Like, what's is it, are you at 300%? It says right here 300%. Trying to figure out like how much or how up everyone is right now. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is just crash. Yeah, it's just I don't know. Dogecoin has been like pretty much a disappointment. Like for the past, I don't know, since May, it's just been really lame. Like like it hasn't broken 30. It's been struggling so much to break 30. Like it's just been yeah, pretty crappy. But then I saw Shiba Inu basically get listed on Coinbase, and then that's when I bought it. And then ever since it's been listed on Coinbase, it just has been like going crazy. And then there's a lot of rumor that Robinhood is one of the whales that picked up like a lot of Shiba Inu because they're kind of listed in their in their platform. So that's one of the rumors that's going on out there. But really like the crazy price action that happened or like the catalyst was because of Turkey, I think. So it says right here Turkish exchange list SHIB helping it to surge to a new all-time high. So that was basically like the news that happened today. Istanbul-based crypto exchange Paribu has listed Shiba Inu, and then it just like ever since this news came out, it just like skyrocketed from there. Also, so yeah, it's getting a lot of like YouTuber attention. The media is like talking about it, and then so I was really curious on trying to figure out like how many people hold Dogecoin, right? And then basically, according to this, it says like around 4 million on-chain holders. So that's a huge amount of people holding Dogecoin, right? It has like a pretty big following. But then when you check out how many people are holding SHIB, I'm pretty sure it's a lot more than this. This was from like 2 days ago, but it was under a million. So I was like, damn, like it's not even close to like how many people are holding Dogecoin. Like, yeah, if Robinhood listed, then yeah, it'll be crazy. Because right now, it's not listed in Robinhood, and I was telling some of my friends like, hey, buy Shiba Inu, but they're just in Robinhood world. They don't know how to get Shiba Inu. They don't know how to go to Coinbase. They're too lazy to set up Coinbase and set it up. So they're just waiting for it to come on Robinhood. But I feel like they're just waiting for like the top. Once it goes on Robinhood, it's already going to be like pretty high. So I wouldn't wait for it to go on Robinhood. I would just buy it now if you plan to at least ride that catalyst for the Robinhood listing. I would buy it now, and then if it dips a little bit more, buy a little bit more. But I wouldn't put in like crazy amount of money on this. Like yeah, I wouldn't go all in. Like I know there's some people that are like crazy all in. You know, do I think it's gonna go back up? I mean, yeah, it has the capability to. Like, it's been surging so much. I remember like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, someone bought it at 35, and 35 was the top at that point. So like a while ago, someone bought it at 35, like right here, and then it just crashed back down to like the 20s or whatever. And then they were like, hey, I bought it at 35. I don't think it's ever going to go back to 35. And then they sold it. And then if they just waited literally like 2 weeks later, it would have like, gone to the moon. It would have spiked like crazy. Should you sell? I don't know. It depends. Like, how much are you up? Like, are you up like super crazy, 1,000%, or like, it all depends. Yes, yeah, like what Go said, if you sell, then it drops, hold instead. Yeah, I think that's really just like the game plan. Like if you don't want to stress about it, just put like $100, 200. That way you just have like a small amount of money. You're not risking like a lot, and then you can go to sleep. So I actually sleep peacefully. I just put it in the thumbnail that I can't sleep because I know that there's a lot of people who literally can't sleep. Like I'm going online and they're like, "Hey, like I can't sleep. This is going too crazy," and they've been up for hours or I don't know what. I actually sleep fine. I don't have that much money in it. my original investment from a 450 went up to like 3,000. But even then, like I still sleep fine. I'm not too worried about it. Even if it drops all the way back down, I'm still like super plus. You know, this one guy's like, I'm so nervous, man. If you just bought it, then sell it. That's what I would do. Don't risk it in all time high. Yeah, yeah. If you just bought it like right here, all right. So if you bought it anywhere above 50, then and if you're nervous about it, you probably might want to sell. Like I don't know. Like if I were you, I would sell. Like if I bought it anywhere above 50, like seeing this huge like spike, I probably wouldn't be holding on to it that long, But if you bought it like down here back in the 6, the 12, anywhere under 35, I think you're chilling. I think you can ride the wave a little bit. Damn, you bought it at 0.0003. Damn, that's pretty good. You wanted to put 1,000, but I don't want to mess up my average. Yeah, I know there's even some of my friends, they put in like a lot of money. They they or no, actually no. Some of my friends, they put in like, well, some of them did put a little bit, but some of them just put like, $50, $60. I know one of my friends, he literally just put in $5 and he doubled his money and then like basically had enough to go buy like a McDonald's Happy Meal. And I was like, man, you should have put in a little bit more. Like $5 is nothing. You're not really like, helping out the community with $5. That's like chump change. You need to put in at least 100. That's like a good enough money. But if you're stressing out about $100, then I don't know. You probably shouldn't like play around with crypto in general. Anyway, so let's take a look at what's going on with Doggy. So Doggy, let's do a quick refresh. Yeah, Doggy's just been crap. Like honestly, like it's just been total crap this last couple months, and like Shiba's already like basically taken over it. It's like Doggy's done in my view. Wait, what? You bought 20 billion? Really? Damn, you must be you must be up a lot. Why did the circulation go up to 2 trillion? Uh that's I'm not too sure about that. That's actually the first I'm hearing about this. So here, let's refresh. Let's just see where Shiba is right now. So Shiba's at 44.6. So Shiba is basically battling that it out with XRP. And actually, like an hour or two ago, Shiba Inu was actually like above XRP, and it was getting really close to Solana. It was not that far off. And the funny thing, Shiba Inu is actually, I feel like it's the same valuation as Palantir. I could be wrong, but let's do a quick check on Palantir. Palantir market cap. All right, so we take a look at, Palantir's at 48.9 and Shiba is at 44. So Shiba Inu is basically like almost the same valuation as Palantir. Circulation is up 590. Hey, yeah, you're right. You're right. It does say, yeah, that is crazy. 589. Yeah, that is weird. That's something else I noticed that on Coinbase, the circulating supply, it was like at 300 something, and then when Coinbase crashed, all of a sudden it's at 589. That's weird. Yeah, it's kind of weird how like after Coinbase crashed today, and then later on, all of a sudden there's more supply on Shiba Inu, yet the price is still high. That's kind of weird. I don't know. Yeah, you feel like they added more tokens? Hmm. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I wonder if anyone's talking about it, because that is something I noticed that when I looked at this like a while ago, I saw that Shiba Inu like the supply like went up by 200 trillion or something. So I don't know what's going on. It could be a glitch. I don't know, or is it just a Coinbase glitch, or is it like on everywhere? Let's look it up. So let's look up Shiba Inu uh, circulating supply. Nah, I'm not really looking at anything. Just a bunch of pictures of Shiba Inu. Let's try to look for in the past hour. Oh, there you go. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I do see it that says circulating supply now. It says 589, but I don't know like where it came from. Somebody hacked Shiba? Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, of course. I think Shiba will be listed on Robinhood. Why wouldn't it be listed on Robinhood? I mean, like, did you see Robinhood's like earnings not that long ago? Look, Robinhood shares tank, and basically they tanked because their cryptocurrency, like, they didn't make any money with cryptocurrency. It says only 51 million coming from cryptocurrency, and yeah, they're basically shooting themselves like on the foot for not listing Shiba Inu, for not listing all these other cryptocurrencies. They're like they're way behind now. Coinbase is like, so far ahead now. Like, Coinbase earnings is coming up actually on November, and I feel like they're just gonna like shatter their records, and then especially with Shiba Inu, with so much trading volume from Shiba Inu alone. And the yeah, the crazy thing is that a lot of retailers, they're buying Shiba Inu on Coinbase. They're not buying it on Coinbase Pro. Like, I don't get why a lot of people are doing that. Like, you should be buying it on Coinbase Pro, I think, because there's way less fees on Coinbase Pro. Like, Coinbase Pro looks a little bit funky and weird at first when you like open it up, but once you get used to it, like you don't want to switch back to Coinbase. All right, it says right here, Google said Shiba Inu coin will reach 0.0004, and come on, like in 2030, come on, I don't know, like you can't really do analysis, to be honest, on Shiba Inu. Like, there's no fundamentals really. It's just like, is it hype or is it not hype? That's literally the fundamentals that's happening right now. So you can't really, like, even I tried doing some fundamentals back here, like back when we were at this range over here. I mean, at least here you had some like support and resistance lines, but now like there's no fundamentals. Literally the